Top 5 programming languages to learn in 2020. Welcome, my friends, and today we are talking about top 5 programming languages to learn in 2020. If you are absolute beginner looking forward to start learning programming, or you are an experienced programmer looking for job opportunities, this video is for you. What language you should learn depends upon three factors, and these three factors are the reasons to choose these languages today in this video. These factors are: number 1, ease of learning. How easy it is for you to learn a complete programming language even if you are a completely beginner to the programming. Number 2, productivity. How long it takes you to design an entire application or a function using some certain language. And number 3, and the most important, is job opportunities. Which language has the more job opportunities? So let's begin. Before getting started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please help me smash that YouTube algorithm. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and then pressing the bell icon so you won't miss any videos. Now let's get started. Yes, my friends, on number 1 it's Python. Python is the most easy language to learn and earn in 2020. Power of Python is that it can be used for all platforms almost, like web applications, Windows application and mobile apps. So if you want to become a web developer, a Windows application developer or a mobile developer, you should definitely learn Python. It has excellent libraries collection for all sort of tasks. The most huge reason to learn Python is that it is being used in artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science that we all know is the future of computers and the future of programming. Most of the tech giants like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest are using Python. Number 2, JavaScript. Yes, my friend, you heard that right. JavaScript. The second easier and mighty language is JavaScript, or you can say programming language. If you don't know the difference between a language and a programming language, don't worry. I will post next video on what is difference between a language and programming language, so stay tuned. The second easier and mighty language is JavaScript. JavaScript is considered as the third pillar of web development. The other two are obviously HTML and CSS. JavaScript is front-end development language. It can be used for front-end responsive pages. It is widely used to develop dynamic front-end pages. Now finally, job opportunities. There are shockingly guaranteed at this time to get a job if you know JavaScript. Yes. At number 3, it's obviously Java. The third easiest, not so easy, but the third easiest language to learn today is Java. Java is widely used in enterprise scale applications. Every large organization uses Java for their development purposes, as Java is known as the most stable language at this time. As I said before, almost 90% of the large organizations uses Java. And a huge benefit to Java is that it is being used in Android development. It's out. Number 4, the C or C++ programming language. It is pretty old programming language. It is also known as the mother of all programming languages. At the scale of ease of learning, it is at number 4. But the reason it is in the top 5 list is that it is extremely fast and stable to use. There are still 70% job opportunities if you learn C or C++. At the number 5, it is now the turn of C#, or most newcomer programmers call it C hashtag, but it's no matter, it's called C#. Yes, my friends, it is the 5th most easy language to learn in 2020. C# is used in backend development. If you are a game developer or love to code games, C# is for you, as it is being used in the game development industry. It is automatically scalable and updatable programming language, meaning that old files are automatically replaced by new ones. It have rich data types. it have a lot. There are less but 50% of job opportunities if you learn C Sharp. At the end, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you like my content, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss any videos. Thank you.